Purchasing a home at the foreclosure auction can be great. You can save a lot of money and you can usually get a home that is worth a lot more at a very low price. That being said, there are a few different things that you want to think about before you purchase that house. So in this video right here, I'm going to give you 5 different things you should think about before you purchase your property at a foreclosure auction in Dallas. The first thing you have to keep in mind is timing. The Dallas County auction is every second Tuesday, and when you go, you have to have your money and be ready to purchase that home whenever you're bidding right then and there. The second thing to think about is that you have to purchase this home as is, so there isn't any, you're gonna bid on the house and then they're gonna go and make repairs or anything like that. You have to have the money up front, ready to go, and you're gonna purchase that home as is. Now that being said, with you purchasing the home as is, you have to understand that after you purchase this house that you will have to usually put in some type of remodel, some type of work to get that home up to the ARV, which is the after repair value. The next thing you have to think about when you're looking to actually go purchase a home from the foreclosure auction is that the competition is usually pretty stiff, especially when you're in a busy city like Dallas or you're in a busy city like Fort Worth. Those counties like Tarrant County and Dallas County, usually when you're going to bid on the house, the competition is stiff and you're going up against people that are going to be purchasing 2, 3, even 4 or 5 houses that exact day. I say all that to let you know that if you are looking to purchase a home off market and you don't want to go through the hassle of actually competing with a bunch of different investors for a house, reach out to us today. Go to nowpropertyinvestor.com and let us know that you are looking to purchase a house that is off market. You want to get a great deal, and we can help you find and scalp for off-market deals that could fit your criteria. So again, go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvestor.com.